Hello, YouTube. They call me Captain Canada. It's a beautiful day. Yes, I went with that haircut. So, where are we at today on the old homestead? Well, we got the garden pretty much wrapped up in terms of getting things planted. And this is where it's at now. This is turning out good. Gate's finished. And Jade already started pecking away at the landscaping fabric. So we got it tucked underneath. Put another row down here, I think. Pretty big job, but now that the garden's actually in, you know, we're just working at a steady pace. Not such a big rush now. So today I'm actually off to grab some wood chips. I think I'm gonna get at least 1 or 2 loads of wood chips from a local arborist. I just meet him on site and he chips the brush right into my trailer, and I just take off. It takes about 45 minutes. It's a great little deal. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I might try and get some on filmer, depending on if he's alright with that. You know, it's a work site after all. So yeah, other than that, it's just a beautiful day, feeling like 28 out. You know, just chilling. Anyways, I hope it's nice where you guys are. So, I got a big time cold. As you can see, we got a decent pile of chips going. I've actually got my tandem dump truck right full as well, so I back that in. It's definitely enough for the yard, so, or the garden rather. So, you know, we'll back this in here and we'll be done with it. It's about 30 degrees out here. I'm sunburnt. Just tired, you know, sick. It's been a long day. And Miss Maya just woke from her slumber. The cutest baby ever. Can we get a wave out of her? Oh. Hey, cutie. Gonna watch Daddy back the truck in?